In an earlier video, we showed you how we installed the VFO dash cam system.
We installed the A329SW.
Very good, honey. Anyway, we do have it installed, and now we're starting to use it. Yeah. So we thought we would do a little video to show you some of the systems we really like, some of the features that we're finding are helpful. And anyway, that's what we're going to do. So here goes.
We're getting warm in the sun because it's a little bit chilly.
Okay.
I am here with our adopted daughter, Danny, today. She is originally from Brazil, but she's been here for a little while now, and she lives out of state, and we have her now for her spring break. So we are really, really happy to have her here.
I'm having the best time ever.
And we're going to talk a little bit about the dash cam. There are a lot of things that we're enjoying about our VFO dash cam system, and one of the things that I especially like is the fact that it has a built-in Wi-Fi connection. So it wirelessly connects to my phone, makes it really simple to use. Another thing I like is the parking mode.
What does that do?
It monitors the area around the van. So if, it's a security issue, if people come up and are looking into the van or whatever, we actually can see that. And
that's very interesting.
And it records that footage. So it keeps us safe.
Yeah.
The other thing is impact detection. If someone tries to open the door or bumps into our vehicle or anything like that, the dash cam system automatically records video and locks it in. Time-lapse recording. I didn't even realize when we first started talking about VFO that it did that, but it does. You can set it however you want for intervals that you want, and you can record time-lapse. I'm looking forward to playing around with that because I think that'll be some fun artsy stuff that I can do in addition to just being helpful for security. There is a GPS logger that we can use to pinpoint our exact location. And then just an easy way to use it is it can be voice controlled. So if you're driving and you don't want to futz around with a bunch of buttons because that's not really safe while you're on the road.
Yeah, not at all.
There are certain basic commands that you can just do with voice control. So that makes
That's great.
Yeah, it makes it hands-free.
Yeah.
And 24/7 surveillance. So the camera is always on, always recording. When you're driving, when you stop the car, it continues recording unless you turn a specific camera off, which I like our internal camera turned off when we're cozied in at night. I like the privacy of not having that recording, but you can set it however you want. The other thing it does is if your battery, because it's running off your car battery, if your battery starts to get low, it will automatically turn the system off so that you still have enough battery to start the car. So some of the features that we especially are enjoying on our VFO dash cam system are the fact that it's easy to download the videos either to our laptop or phone. Really, really simple process. It's super easy to use because once you set up your VFO system, we have it set so that when we turn the car on, the dash cam system goes on.
Recording. 3 channels started.
And when we turn the engine off, it automatically goes into parking mode.
Parking recording started.
So we always have that safety and security of knowing that the VFO system is looking out for us. It feels safe. I appreciate that. I love the video quality. The front-facing camera is 4K, and the rear-facing and the inside camera, Fisheye Lens, is 2K.
That's great.
And it's just really nice video quality, which you're going to see on the videos that we do with it. And then the other thing that I like about it is it makes me feel secure, because even though we've got ourselves all covered up, with the windows covered and everything at night, and we've tucked ourselves in, we still can see what's going on. We just use the app on our phones and we can see whatever is going on outside. Or if we park the van and we walk away to, explore a cute little historic downtown area of some town or something like that, we can see anybody that's walking around the van or looking at it, things like that. It's very nice
Perfect.
security
Yeah.
feature. It works really well. One of the reasons we wanted a dash cam system with a fisheye lens was so that we could record ourselves as we're going down the road and exploring. So we're going to give that a try right now and see how that feature works for us.
So one of our questions was, are we going to be able to use this interior camera for video content? So that's what we're trying to find out. And if you guys can hear us, if the quality of the audio is good enough for a video, and also can you see us well enough, or is this not actually going to be a good camera for us to use for the videos for all of our adventures that we want to share with everybody. But we're driving around on a residential road, and we're pretty sure the quality of the video is going to be good, and the audio is going to be so that you can hear us and share in our adventures. So we're excited about this. This interior camera gets 2 thumbs up.
I agree.
So the bottom line is that we're happy with this system, and we're looking forward to traveling with it. We have a better sense of the safety and just our ability to capture video and things that happen around us and around the van. And so anyways, we're looking forward to our travels, and we just thank you for coming along, and we'll see you on the next video.
Bye for now.